Hello, so if you want to know why using free traffic isn't always scalable when you're building a business without using paid traffic, and you want to know more about how to utilize solo ads or banner ads in 2022, you don't want to miss out on this video. And also, you want to check out my blog for more info. I'm Jason Hopkins. Be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And click the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future content. So if you're just starting out and you're trying to get your business moving a little bit faster, free advertisement is only going to get things moving slow for you. What you need is a way to get more traffic and fast. And the best way for you to do that is either use solo ads or banner ads, or you can use both. Now with solo ads, basically what it is an advertisement from an email list builder who has a huge list. So that means every time someone is going to click onto your site, they're going to be taken straight to your landing page where they'll buy whatever it is that you're selling to them. And with banner ads, you're basically promoting your website onto a site that's getting the most possible traffic because they're placed on top of other sites where people are already looking for what you're offering. So know this, things are changing in this world of online marketing, including how people are getting their traffic, that where you're getting it from as well. So you want to make sure that no matter what happens in 2022, that you will always have access to high quality traffic at a low cost. Well, that wraps this up for today. If you got any value from this video, give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment below this video. And if you want to know my #1 recommended program, there's going to be a link at the bottom of this video below where you're going to be directed to a page where you'll have to put your name and email. Once again, I'm Jason Hopkins. Bye now.